Today we're showing you a 2022 Workmaster, New Holland Workmaster 75 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Also comes with a New Holland 550 LU quick attach front end loader. Tractor's in really nice shape. Again, 455 hours, so very low hour machine. And again, does come with the front end loader here. The bucket quick attach is the standard universal style quick attach, so you can change it out to many different attachments. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. Has a grill guard up front here. Just overall a very clean tractor. It does have the upgraded radial tires on it. Doors and mirrors on both sides of the cab. Work lights front and back, as well as rear wiper. It's got the control back here. Allows the user to raise and lower the 3-point arms from the ground back here, which is a nice feature when you're hooking implements. Also has the telescopic arms and the 3-point stabilizers, drawbar, top link, everything is here. Does have the dual rear remotes. Also has 2 sets of rear wheel weights in the back here. Very nice tractor. Show you the inside of the cab. Looks very similar to the outside. Looks like new in here. Has the air ride seat for the operator, a little jump seat here for a passenger, tilt steering wheel. Speed transmission. Does have the loader control also right there within easy reach. Also has the hydraulic shuttle. Allows a operator to change direction without clutching, so that's the nice transmission. Very nice tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into December of 2024. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.